In this video, I'll show you how to create an alarm on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So simply open the clock application on your device, so either on the home screen or the app drawer. So find the clock app, and then you should get to this page. And then tap on alarm at the bottom to ensure that you're in the alarm section. And then tap on the plus icon to create an alarm. Now from here, choose the time you'd like that alarm to go off. So let's say if I want it to go off at 6 a.m. So you can select it at 6 a.m. If you want AM or PM, you can choose AM, or if you want PM, you can simply select PM. So let me just leave it at 6 a.m. And then you can choose the ringtone for that particular alarm. So tap on ringtone and then choose the pre-installed alarms if you want. And as you select, you'll hear a preview of that particular alarm. Now you can also choose on all ringtones to see all the alarms. So once you get to this page, simply tap on pre-installed ringtones and then scroll down and find the alarm section. And then you should see a list of all the alarms that are currently available. So choose the one that you like. So select that and simply select apply. And then you should see this, select this ringtone, simply select OK. And there you go, you have selected your alarm ringtone. Now you can choose to repeat this alarm. If you want to repeat it once daily or Monday to Friday, you can simply tap on repeat and choose the option that you prefer. You can also customize this option to suit your needs. So simply tap on customize and then choose the dates that you'd like this alarm to go off on. So if you want it to go off on Friday, you can select that. On Tuesday and on Sunday, you can select that. Once done, simply tap on the arrow and go back. And then from here, you can choose whether the alarm should vibrate when it goes off. So you can enable that or disable that. And then lastly, you can choose to rename that particular alarm. So simply tap on label and then from the text field, write what the alarm is all about. So I'll just write test alarm. And once done, simply tap on the check mark and that will label that particular alarm. So once you're done with everything and once you're done with creating the alarm and customizing everything, all you have to do is simply tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And now you have created your alarm successfully. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.